welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bukola Gold. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been supporting me from day one, you know how we do it. Sending you love, hug, and all the good things. So welcome back to my channel. Today's video, like you already know, it's about not really my new bag or my latest bag. You know, I'm not really a bag person, but I'm gonna be showing you this bag. I've had it like a year now. It was actually a gift, but then I realized that I didn't do an unboxing video for you guys, so I decided to bring to you my unboxing bag and show you the video. So a quick story. I think about a year ago, my husband wanted to get me a gift, and I know I'm this kind of very difficult person to get gift for. And the young man asked me, "Hey baby girl, what would you like for Christmas?" Honestly, during that time, I really don't know what I wanted. I just don't know. And then I was on Instagram, and the bag just popped on my timeline, and I said, okay, you know what, I need this bag because I love this bag. I love the bag combination, I love the color, I love everything about the bag. And I said to my husband, I want this bag. I sent the link to him that, okay, this is the bag I want. So, and he said, all right baby, I'll get it for you. I already told him the bag I want. Honestly, I told him the size, I told him everything. But you know what? This guy just wanted to be extra. He just wanted to show me that, you know what? I'm gonna spoil you. I'm gonna spoil you, baby girl. And then he went ahead to get me the Kurt Geiger KESINGTON bag in extra large. Large. When my husband got me this bag, I was like, what am I gonna be doing with this big bag? Like, it's too big. Who is going to carry this big bag? Me. And the fact that I'm not really a bag person got me like, hello, who wants you to buy this big bag? I have already sent you the link of what I want. Why did you go and do extra? Who sent you? Bag I wanted, you know, but I wanted it in the mini or midi, not XXL. But then baby boy said, you know what, I'm gonna buy the extra large. But one thing about the bag is that I have never carried this bag. I only took a picture with this bag that I posted on my Instagram. When I got the bag at first, it was my kind of bag, you know, like the color, talking about everything with the bag everything with the bag is just my kind of thing. I'm only just concerned, like I'm just concerned with the size of the bag. I'm like, why XXL? Why XXL? I just want a body cross bag that I can, you know, go out with every day. But we got XXL Kurt Geiger KESINGTON bag in metallic leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the beautiful, the prettiest bag. Bag. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and you know how we do it. Before you jump into the video that we're about to make, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment. I'm gonna be waiting for you in the section, and let's jump right into it. I bring to you the Kurt Geiger metallic rainbow KESINGTON bag. Oh my god, this bag is so cute. So at first I really didn't like this bag because I was so concerned with the size. I'm like, this bag is so big. Just look how big this bag is. Oh my god, so big. So right now we're gonna pretend, like we want to unbox this bag, because literally I have not even carried this bag. I've not even wear it anywhere. It's just I took a picture with it and I posted it on Instagram, and the bag went back to the shelf. So we're gonna pretend like we're unboxing it. So I'm gonna review it. I'm gonna show you what I love about this bag. Okay, so right now we're gonna just leave the size alone because I have said it is XXL, but we're gonna talk about the colors. Oh my god, the rainbow colors. The metallic rainbow colors is everything. It comes with different colors. This purple, blue, teal, green, gold, orange, peach, and a lot of colors. I love everything about the colors. It's just like a nighty kind of bag that you can take to events at night. It's so beautiful. I love everything about the color, and I'm so glad it has pink, like kind of, it's a two pinks together. I'm so happy with this color. So we're gonna talk about the leather right now. The leather, it's not this smooth regular leather, you know, and it's kind of a bit rough. It's not smooth. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? And the leather is really nice, you know, and feels so soft, you know. I love it. And now let's move on to the Kurt Geiger eagle logo. Look at this, so beautiful. Oh god, let me come closer. Really beautiful. I love the bag. Oh god, but the bag has this long chain that, you know, oh my god, it's making so much noise, but I love the silver chain. It's so pretty. It's adjustable. You can take it, you can carry it if you want to take it long, and you could take it in a short form depending on what you want. I love the hand chain. So one thing about this bag, you know, I told you earlier that I really didn't like it when I got it because I'm like, it's too big. I don't like big bags. I'm not even a big bag person. But then now this bag has been crying and saying, hey girl, I'm going to the streets. Bukola, you see that street? Shori Igboro, yeah. Igboro, we're doing it together this summer. So this bag, we're gonna be doing what? Summary together. So when you see me have this bag in most of my pictures, please don't be angry. Edaku. Because the bag has been at home for over a year, sitting down there doing nothing. Because the street is calling my name. This summer. This summer, this bag is gonna be out playing around. You know what I mean. Anyways, let's continue. So it has this detail right here that it says Kurt Geiger London. Kurt Geiger London on both hands. It has the logo, and behind the bag it has the logo as well, which I'm so much in love with. Just take a look at this detail. So let's now move on to the inside of the bag and see how big and how large this bag is. So we're gonna go ahead and open the bag. I kind of have a lot of papers packed because I want to keep it in shape, so I didn't really trash the paper stack that came with it. Okay, so let's just take this out for now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what's this? Okay, it came with a card. Kurt Geiger London, and look at the inside. It's so spacious, like very spacious. It has two space. Yeah, this bag will take a lot. I mean, this bag would take so much. iPad or tablet, this would fit in, and if you have a mini laptop, this bag would definitely fit in and take a whole lot of things. See, really wide and big. And I like the fact that this space has this two buttons when you need to close the bag. So I love the fact that this has two buttons and it's clippable. You can clip it back and open it back. So even the bag is new. I haven't even peeled the bags. I mean the nylon on it. So this leather inner, and it has this black inner as well, which is so wide and so big. Oh god, I'm loving this bag right now. I don't even know why I didn't like it from the beginning. Oh my god, it's so cute, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna measure it. I have a cup rule here and tell you the size of how wide and how deep the bag is. Okay, so let's see how wide the bag is. Okay, I'm gonna measure it from here. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, this is 15 inches wide. Okay, come on. I'm not a tailor. I know sabi the measurements. I'm just trying. But anyways, we move. Okay, now I'm gonna put it here. It has it is 15 inches wide. I mean, how wide is this bag? 15 inches. Very big. So we're gonna take the measurement of how tall the bag is. Okay, this says 9 inches, I guess. 9 inches tall, or the length. So I'm gonna measure out the, I don't know how to measure the deep part, but I'm gonna try as much as possible to measure that. That's you. Take the measure of the deep. Okay, let me try. How do I measure the deep part of this bag? Oh god. I guess it's not as well, but if I'm not correct, I'm gonna look for the description of the bag on their site and put the depth of the bag, I mean the size. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. I just take it this way. My only problem with this bag is that if you're taking this bag or if you're carrying this bag, you have to fill it in with so much thing, like so much stuff, because it's a bag, the leather is actually soft, so it's going to be compressed if you don't fill it up with things. Just look at how the bag is sitting. Even when you want to put it in your bag rack or bag shelf, you have to put in the paper pad just to make it fit or make it sit, because the bag is a soft leather, so you have to fill it in. That's one thing about it. Plus with different things if you want to see the beauty of the bag. So unless you have the mini one or the midi size or the mini classic size. So apart from that, if you have this one or you want to buy this big bag, just know that it is so fine and it's pretty much okay to take a lot of stuff, and that's just the beauty. Okay, so guys, that's just it about this bag. It's a beautiful bag and it's in XXL. They have Kurt Geiger has other sizes, which is the mini, the midi, and the XXL, I guess. So if you're looking to get any of their bags, I think they're having like a discount at the moment, like huge discount. You can just pop on your website and get yourself a really nice one, because I'm actually looking into get a smaller one. Honestly, this bag is too big for me. Like, it's too big, but it's a gift. What can I do? Nothing. I just have to take it and appreciate the fact that somebody gifted me this lovely bag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope it's interesting, because I am loving this bag at the moment. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to do what again? Share with your family and friends. So until then, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.